Alright guys, this is going to be a quick tip video. What not to do. I was cleaning up the garage and ran into this tote that I had forgot completely all about. And guess what? There's holes in the tote. This is from, 2019, 2018. And like a dummy, I put 5 frames of comb in here that had come out of the freezer. And guess what? Through those holes, wax moths got in, laid their eggs, destroyed all the comb, destroyed my bags of sugar that I probably paid $1.29 for, maybe, back then. So today's quick tip is don't be stupid. If you decide to store sugar and frames together, even if they've been through the freezer, put a piece of tape over the holes. Because wax moths, where there is a will, there is a way. They will find your drawn comb. And this was brood comb. So quick tip of the day. Make sure your boxes, whatever you store them in after you pull them out of the freezer, are sealed and sealed tightly. Most people say 24 hours. I let mine run through the freezer for 5 to 7 days. But best made plans of mice and men. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share the videos. Have a great day.